Hi guys, I'm teaching my wife to ride her new beat, and here she goes. Off you go, darling. He don't know his left from his right. Okay, he should be over there, not here. Okay then, darling, off you go, baby. Remember, let the back brake off. And there she goes, bless her. I'll get her riding a bike yet. I put her in the deep end. She rode it all the way here from home on the main road. She rode it back last night and she done pretty good. And I'll keep letting her do that, bringing it here on the road, taking it back on the road, just to get her used to it and the traffic and the people around. That's what you call sticking someone in the deep end. That's the only way you're going to learn a bike properly. None of this out the way. But when I get my big bike finished, I'll go out with her and I'll stay behind her just to keep an eye on her. It's a lovely evening. Lovely evening. Pretty much overcast, so it may possibly rain later or tonight or in the night. Let's see what happens. But she does good. I'm proud of her. She should just about be turning round now at the top, ready to come back down. She's just very tiny bit wonky on pull away, but I can get her past that, so she does it smoothly. Here she comes. She's a bit quicker than yesterday, which is good. Maybe that one there. There's a few bikes that go up and down here. Yeah, it was her, look. Here she comes, look. Nice and straight. Tiny bit wonky, but not too much. And there she is. Take it slow on the throttle, darling. Take it slow on the throttle when you want to turn around. Walk it. Darling, little bit of throttle and walk it. Yeah, little bit of throttle. Take your hand off the damn brake. Tiny bit of throttle. Yeah. That's it, walk it. That's it. You got it. There you go. That's called walking the bike. Hey, that's what you do to turn it round. Alright? So try that out every time. Okay? Right, off you go. There you go.